Yeah? So here. Take this one. Pull it up. Be careful that this is free. This is also free. No cotton between this metal and the bottom. Then you align it like this and you push it down. You see it's aligned? That's good. Then we cut. Like this. Use sharp scissors because it must be open, must be fluffy. Then you hold your pincet like this, side, not like this, but from the side. Open it, and then you turn it like this. Put your finger here, and then okay. I will do it from the side so you can see. Fluffy. Don't push it too hard, just fluffy. This side same. And then the cotton needs to be like this. That's important. No cotton in the air hole here. So this is good like this. Then what you do is push a little bit down. So the how do you call this? The threads
Don't catch, huh?
don't catch in the cotton. Which one do you like to be